Okay, so today is the day to put the new shifter column in place. Now, what you need is a screwdriver, a flathead, a Allen key, or something that will get your lock out. See that hole right there? When you take this out, it looks like a button. You just press on it, and then it'll take your lock mechanism out. Remember to always put it back right, the same way. So you see, it's going up and down. This is going up and down. Very important. I got this all disconnected here, and I'm doing the final step, and that step is taking this pin out. Now, I got the wire out, which wasn't fun, but there's enough room in there. If you got big fingers, you're pretty much SOL, so sorry to hear about your luck. So let's get the pin out and install the new shifter. Now, for this, I am going to use some needle nose vice grips. And like so. And that should pull out. Like so. Okay, let's double check. Make sure Chinaman got that right. Let's double check the plug. Yep, looks right. Now you can get replacement boots, but mine's still in good shape. It's got a little tear there, but nothing alarming. Now, see this tab right here? Right there is where it goes. So always remember that. So first off, we're gonna put this on here. So, look at that. Looks all right. Now we're gonna put back the plug in place. There we go. Put the pin back. All right, I took the pin out. See, it's not fitting, so gotta do a little bit of filing. Chinaman screwed up. Did not do a direct fit. All right, got the round nose file right here. You know, this is a good reason why mechanics don't make money. Is because if they have to finagle things to make them work when they're supposed to work, well, they don't earn money. Right there we go. Okay, let's put it back on here. Okay. Like so. All right, here we go with some schwading. Now, see if it works. That works. Overdrive off. Overdrive on. That works. Okay, let's install everything now. That tab there goes right in that pocket there. Now, for this top, you just slide this right over the shifter knob like so. Like so. Now it's time for the bottom cover. put all the screws in place, all 3 of them. And if you don't have all 3 of them, you can go to your local hardware store and pick these up. They're nothing special. Turn the overdrive off and let's see what it does. 1, 2, 3. Right there, 3rd gear. 4th gear. Alright, that's it. Old blue looking good. Got the new shifter. That's all I got for this episode, guys. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.